In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce username and password. This simple guide will help you quickly locate these critical login details, whether you're logging in for the first time or just need a reset. Let's get started with finding your username. The first place to check is your email inbox. Specifically, you're looking for a welcome email from Salesforce. This email often contains important information, including your Salesforce username. If you work in a setting with many accounts or emails, you can usually find an old email from Salesforce that highlights these details. It's a great first step because it's direct and doesn't require logging in just yet. In many cases, your username will be your email address. However, sometimes organizations use a custom format, such as a combination of your name and company details. For example, it might look something like name@company.com.dev. Knowing the format your company uses can save you some time if you don't immediately find what you're looking for in your inbox. If you're already logged into Salesforce, there's another easy method to find your username. Simply click on your avatar or profile picture, often located in the upper right corner of your Salesforce window. From there, navigate to Settings. Once you're in your settings, look under Personal Information. Your username should be clearly displayed right there. This method is handy if you can access Salesforce and need to double-check your login info. Now, let's address what to do if you've forgotten your password. Go to the Salesforce login page. Don't worry, this happens to the best of us, and it's an easy fix. On the login page, you'll notice a helpful link labeled Forgot Your Password. Click on this link to start the reset process. When prompted, enter your username or email address. Shortly thereafter, Salesforce will send you an email containing a link to reset your password. It's important to follow the instructions in that email carefully. Make sure to choose a secure password you haven't used before to keep your account safe. Also, note that sometimes the email might end up in your spam or junk folder, so check those folders if you don't see it immediately. So, there you have it. You should now be equipped with the knowledge to find your Salesforce username and confidently reset your password if needed. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to do. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a great day.